Okay, this is a short product video just to show in detail this new spiral pendulum rhythm mantle clock. It's got quite a mesmerising movement. We thought that it warrants a video to help show customers this clock in a bit more detail. It's all made from plastic and the pendulum here is totally encased, so it's on your mantelpiece. You don't have to worry about little unwanted fingers getting in there trying to touch the pendulum. Rhythm clock, so it comes with batteries. It takes 2 batteries, one in here for the timepiece and one at the bottom which goes in there for the pendulum. Pretty straightforward. That's it. It's quite a nice effect and nice detailing. Yeah, I hope that helps. Any queries, please get in touch. I'll end the video now. Cheers.